Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the latest and greatest in DJI Mini 5 Pro. If you're a tech enthusiast or a drone hobbyist, you're in for a treat. The newest drone model has just been released and it's packed with features that are sure to impress. From advanced camera system to extended flight time, this drone is set to redefine your aerial photography and videography experience. Let's explore what makes this drone the ultimate choice for 2024. Release date. The highly anticipated release of the new drone took place in September 2024, strategically timed to coincide with the upcoming holiday season. This release window is significant for several reasons. First, it allows the drone to capture the attention of consumers during one of the busiest shopping periods of the year, making it an attractive gift option for tech enthusiasts and adventurers alike. The lead up to the launch has generated considerable excitement among potential buyers, driven by rumors and previews highlighting the DJI Mini 5 Pro innovative features and capabilities. Enthusiasts have eagerly awaited its arrival, as it promises to elevate the flying experience with enhanced technology, improved flight performance, and advanced imaging capabilities. Moreover, releasing the drone in September positions it well against competitors, allowing it to stand out in a crowded market. With consumers likely to be seeking cutting-edge technology and gift ideas, this drone aims to meet that demand by offering state-of-the-art features that appeal to both novice and experienced pilots. In summary, the September 2024 release marks a pivotal moment for this DJI Mini 5 Pro, aligning perfectly with consumer interests and the holiday shopping rush. It not only represents the culmination of anticipation, but also serves as an invitation for users to embark on new aerial adventures, whether for personal enjoyment or as a thoughtful gift for someone special. Camera. The camera of this new drone is a standout feature, showcasing advanced technology that elevates aerial imaging. At the core is a 1-inch sensor, significantly larger than those found in many consumer DJI Mini 5 Pro. This larger sensor captures more light, resulting in superior image quality, especially in challenging lighting conditions such as dusk or dawn. The benefits of the 1-inch sensor extend beyond just brightness. It also enhances dynamic range, allowing for more details in both shadows and highlights, which is crucial for capturing the nuances of natural landscapes or urban environments. In addition to exceptional stills, the drone offers 4K video recording at an impressive 60 frames per second. This high frame rate ensures that even the fastest moving subjects are rendered smoothly and without motion blur, making it ideal for action shots and dynamic scenes. The ability to record in 4K allows for rich detail and clarity, making your videos not only visually appealing but also suitable for professional use. Overall, the camera capabilities of this drone promise to elevate your aerial photography and videography experience. Whether capturing breathtaking landscapes or documenting fast-paced events, the advanced sensor and high-quality recording features will empower you to create stunning visual content that stands out. Internal storage. Next up, let's talk about storage. This drone comes with 8 GB of internal storage. While this might not seem like a lot at first glance, it's actually quite handy. The internal storage allows you to start shooting right out of the box without needing an external SD card immediately. It's perfect for those spontaneous moments when you just want to get the drone up in the air and start capturing. Plus, flight time. One of the standout features of this DJI Mini 5 Pro is its impressive flight time. With a maximum flight duration of 40 minutes, this drone allows you to capture more footage and explore further without constantly worrying about recharging. This extended flight time is a significant improvement over many other drones on the market, which typically offer around 20 to 30 minutes of flight. Whether you're on a professional shoot or just enjoying a leisurely flight, those extra minutes can make a big difference. To wrap things up, let's recap what makes this DJI Mini 5 Pro the ultimate choice for 2024. Released in September, it comes just in time for the holiday season, making it a perfect gift for tech enthusiasts. Its 1-inch sensor camera with 4K video at 60 fps ensures stunning image quality and smooth footage. The 8 GB of internal storage provides convenience for spontaneous shoots, and the 40-minute flight time sets it apart from the competition. This drone is designed to elevate your aerial photography and videography to new heights. Stay tuned for more detailed reviews and hands-on experiences, and don't forget to subscribe for the latest updates.